Here I have EssentielB HeYou 60, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the network and internet section, and then hotspot and tethering. Here you can enable your hotspot. Here you can change some of its settings. For example, here you can change its name, here you can change its security protocol, here you can change its password, here you can set up maximum amount of connections, and there is also an inactivity timeout, so after how many minutes of inactivity your hotspot will be automatically turned off. And that's all the settings of this hotspot. You can also switch your hotspot here at the upper bar, like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.